The recent move of BTC was too good. Since last breakout, you can see 5% easy move. If you are missing these all types of moves, then you are missing to watch our videos. Let me show you what was my update on Telegram channel. Here we go. This was our Telegram update. Current price $116,262. Price is broke the intermediate level in 4 hours with huge buy pressure, but there is a resistance point which trendline resistance, better to wait for clear direction. That was pre-alert. Afterwards, I have shared the breakout alert. Here we go. Breakout alert price has clear breakout now. We can consider now new support which is 116122 level. If you followed this simple alert, you might have catched a clear move of 5%. Not only this, I have shared many altcoins update trades on this Telegram channel. You can visit this Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is provided in the video's description. Also, I have directly shared website information so you can easily find out the available services, products from the website. In this episode, let's analyze BTC move, and afterwards we will find out 5 altcoins to analyze on CoinW exchange. So stay tuned with the complete video to understand each and every concepts in detail. Alright, after this move price has gone to the, that's a very normal thing in cryptocurrency and Bitcoin. Why this happened? Just because of this, the resistance point. Previously the sellers has been spotted this level for the sellers. That's why after hitting this level, price is turned to the downward direction. This is completely normal. So what we can expect here, how to spot or mark out the next levels. First of all, let's see the available demand zone. This is our demand zone in 4 hour time frame or 2 hour time frame. Okay, both time frames are good to analyze the chart if you are taking short-term trades. In this scenario, it can again test the previous levels, okay, but very less chances because we have already a sharp move from this resistance point, this support point, and price is immediately taking a upside movement. Or maybe it can happen test of these previous broken levels, which is a very good support actually, 116874. Afterwards you can plan your next trade, and this is your negative point, trade saver 114140. If you are preparing your trade like long here, or if you are considering next attempt here, you can have a good average point like this here. Okay, stop loss of 2%, that's a completely normal because we have a take profit ratio of 4%, 5%. So if you are planning like a 1:2 risk reward ratio trade, then the trade ratio will be good. If you are taking number of trades of 10 and winning 7, that's a win-win situation for you. So before you take any trade, make sure you are following the risk reward ratio to reduce your risk terms. In short, we can expect a next move from this demand zone because breakout was very good and buyers has already shown the interest at the point of demand zone. Now let's move on CoinW exchange. CoinW exchange offers multiple cryptocurrencies as well as you can participate in multiple products. CoinW exchange is getting popular day by day. You can check rank of CoinW is under top 30, and day by day CoinW is preparing new events, preparing new updates, listing cryptocurrencies. Things are getting developed on CoinW. And you can see the trade volume of 24 hours, that's about 44,000 BTC. Total assets are given here, and about CoinW you can read on this coin market cap. CoinW stands a pinnacle in the world of crypto trading platforms where our unwavering commitment to security, transparency and user-centric principles. When did CoinW launch? CoinW was launched in 2017. We can read more about CoinW on this CoinMarketCap website. Now we are going to analyze 5 altcoins which are listed on CoinW exchange. CoinW referral link is given in the video's description. Simply you can find out the link and register now. Here is the first altcoin which is I am showing, which looks good if I filter out 24-hour change. Here is the top cryptocurrencies. First is TST USDT POP, Bio USDT POP and Pump USDT POP, BCH, TRX, LDO. We are going to see these 5 altcoins: Bio, Pump, BCH, TRX and LDO. Let's take a closer look into it. First is Bio USDT, 1-day chart. Here is the simple theory guys. 1-day chart is showing that price is now going to test, price is now going to follow the resistance point until we see a breakout of resistance point. You can see here impact of resistance point. after hitting the level of resistance point, which is historical in bio USDT, here you can see spinning top is generating. Spinning top candle is a market reversal sign candle, but there are conditions before you consider that spinning top is going to give you reversal. Which condition? First condition, it should close in the plus format or spinning top. Afterwards, this is the low point and this is the high point for the spinning top. Okay, when price breaks this point, low point, and closes below this point, then we can have a market reversal direction. But before that, do not consider directly. If it's not closing in the form of what it created, then it can go against your prediction. So that's why always wait patiently. Afterwards we can have a good trade. This is probability from 1 day chart. Now let's move to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart is showing a very good move. How? Let me tell you. If price is creating waveform like this and growing, slowly, then this can be considered as a pure uptrend, because buyers are trying to invert at each and every support point. It means slow buyers are entering, good buyers are entering, sellers are getting deleted from each and every resistance point. Here we go, big resistance point has been created, still price is shown a good bull zone. Here we go, again sell pressure has been created, again reversal has been happened here. So in this scenario, I do not recommend you to take any short position, because strength of buyers are good than the strength of the sellers. That's why wait for this proper breakout. If breakout is happening after this small consolidation, we might have a good trade. That's why do not confuse at the point of resistance point and take any wrong trade. That's a conclusion of this trade. Now let's move on pump USDT, how it is giving us a signs. First of all, as usual, switch to the daily time frame. Here we go, we have a resistance point. This is not just a resistance point, guys, this is a huge resistance point. We can see here, after hitting this point, price is completely gone wild here. Now let's understand theory in 4-hour chart. Okay, price is not showing as shown in BioUSDT. Alright, so we cannot consider this whole trend can be a good trend, or the huge buyers has been included. We cannot consider like this. Okay, now we can have one idea. If price is hitting this point and giving us a reversal point like spinning top, any market reversal signs, then we can take a short trade over here. Afterwards we can have a point like this, touching, creating reversal point, and can come back to the support point. As of now, you cannot take trade, but wait for proper direction. If hitting this level and giving us a small red pressure, sell pressure, then you can have a trade and take your stop loss above previously created any candle. If suppose candle is created under this level, put your stop loss here. If created candle is there, put your stop loss here. So in short, this whole area can be considered as a resistance point until and unless breakout is happening to this point and creating a good buy pressure. Okay, this is the theory in pump USDT. Next is BCH USDT. This is from top 10 cryptocurrency. Okay, in 4-hour chart, it is showing some good strength. Here we can have a breakout point, because once the price has been clicked at the resistance point, it is just shown a little bit correction point. Afterwards, recovery has been done. Again it has clicked, again it has created recovery point. It means buyers are heavily trying to break out this point and switch this entire resistance point to the support point. That's how price action shows, guys. In some hours / days, we can have a good breakout in BCH. If not happens, no worries, we can go with the sellers and we can have a good trade till this 563 levels. But positive probabilities are into bull side, because candles has a good strength after hitting the resistance point. Wait for proper breakout. Afterwards you can go with the buyers, you can go with the bulls. Here we go. TRX is showing a very good strength, guys. This was our last resistance point where actually buyers was wiped out. Okay, perfect. So this whole area can be considered as the resistance point. This trend can be considered a pure strong. Here we go, daily candle is shown first time reversal point after hitting resistance point, and afterwards price is not getting impacted at resistance point. This is the clear direction. When price doesn't get impacted by the resistance point, it can be considered as the bulls are strong and resistance might flip to the support point. Wait little bit more to hit this area of sellers. If successfully breaks out this point, here we go. Next move is for the bull side. Next coin is LDO USDT. This is the flipper point. Okay, price is trying to flip this area, guys, but wait patiently. If this is holding properly or consolidating for some time above this area, at least if consolidating below this area like this, then this is the seller's area, this is the buyer's area. Okay, that's why wait little bit, proper consolidation above this area, then we can have a good test of buyers. Okay, we can have a good flipper point for the buyer's area and as well as a long trade. So in this scenario, LDO USDT still wait. We have seen 5 altcoins analysis: Bio USDT, Pump USDT, BCH USDT, TRX USDT, LDO USDT. In 5 altcoins there is a waiting zone. After waiting, we can have a good trade either in the direction of bull side, either in the direction of bear side. No matter, because if you trade futures, there is no impact of growth or bear market, because if bear market is there, you can still make profits using short position. If bull zone is there, you can go with the long side. So this is the advantage of joining a futures section. You can consider joining futures section on CoinW exchange. Link of this platform is given in the video's description. Apart from the trading on CoinW exchange, there are few more ways to boost up your crypto portfolios. Here is my reward section. In my reward sections, if you are trading futures, there is multiple options. In future section, there are currently we have some pending activation. Here you can see super bonus 100 USDT, super bonus 50 USDT, 30 USDT, 500 USDT, 300 USDT. There are some criterias. If you fulfill this, you might have this position from CoinW exchange. Here is the super bonus 100 USDT. Activation conditions: the total trading volume of future 500,000 USDT, then you can have 100 USDT super bonus. The current trading volume is, in my case, 922 USDT. Applicable contracts, which is ETH USDT futures. Leverage limit is max 5x. Expiration timeline is given here. You can read more events coupon details here. You may eligible for this. Okay, this is exclusive rewards from the CoinW exchange. I hope you have learned something from this episode. Stay connected with the Telegram channel. On Telegram channel, I have shared many altcoin updates, market updates on real-time basis. If you are interested into premium service, you can check the Telegram channel where I post premium trades. Here we go. Here you can read about premium crypto group, why join, exclusive market analysis, daily trade setups, depends on the market conditions, exclusive support is there, risk management strategies, how you can protect your portfolio, premium market updates. How it works: subscribe to our premium plan, get instant access to the group, start trading with real-time updates. You can read this all information on website also. Here is the first page. Just scroll down here. This is for the brands, and just little bit go down. You can read about the premium Telegram group. There are 3 plans for you: starter plan, growth plan, and pro plan. Newly adopters, smart moves, pro players can join. What are the benefits of this premium group? You can read all details. Okay, what are the benefits and how trades will be provided? All information is provided and FAQs are there. If you have any questions, simply connect me and ask me. Not only trades, we queue proper analysis. Here we go. This is the trade format: USDT long trade, entry, target, stop loss. Why we took this trade, reason is also mentioned. And here we go, result is in front of you. 12% profit is done without leverage. Okay, here is the screenshot we have shared on 7th August, and here we go, targets has been achieved. Not only signals, we provide proper trade information. Okay, afterwards you might consider join or not. Here we go. Mana USDT long position, entry, target, stop loss. Why we took this trade, reason is mentioned. This is the trade format. When we take this trade, this chart was like this, and after taking the trade, we can see the progress of this chart, and this trade is also posted by 7th August. This is just a samples of trades. With this way, you can consider involving in multiple trades in cryptocurrencies in order to boost your crypto portfolio. I hope this video was helpful for you. Hopefully we will see in the next video. That's it for today. Bye.